Good morning, everybody. It's Stephen here for Bland Designs and the Idiot Quilter. And just a reminder that Walter and I will be on the air live today, Sunday, August the 21st, 2022, at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I hope you can join us for our usual chit chat. And we're going to talk a little bit about our little mini trip that we were on yesterday, just for a day. And in a little town where I was born, actually. Went to visit my parents. More about that. And we had a lovely lunch there too, as well. And I bought some fabric in a great fabric store that they have in this little place as well. And then there's a whole bunch of other things to tell you about, like how my 3-day course went, learning Quilt Path, the computerized system for Lucy. And yeah, our plans for a couple of days this coming week when we're going off to London, Ontario to do some fabric shopping. So I hope you can join us. That's today, Sunday, August the 21st, 2022 at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Hope to see you then. Bye-bye.